Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up here on Bitcoin. This is IBIT, the iShares Bitcoin Trust. Now, last week I mentioned keeping an eye on Bitcoin and looking for a buy opportunity above the 50-day moving average. That's the red line here on the chart. Well, it happened. We got above the 50-day moving average, and we are holding above that 50-day moving average. Here on the chart, you can see we had really good volume on the day, and a close near the highs. Now, if I bring in Bitcoin, we can see that it's well above its 200-day moving average and breaking out above the March highs here after this long pullback. So we are looking to get a potential trend change here on BTC. Now, at this point, we've had two really big days here on BTC, and Bitcoin is a tad extended above these key moving averages. So I would look for a bit of a pullback to the 200-day or even down to the 50-day moving average if it gets there, and then that could offer a new opportunity here on IBIT if you miss this trade down near the 50-day moving average. So that's what I would look for here on IBIT, but it's good to see that we're finally getting Bitcoin to act like digital gold. If I bring in GLD, we can see a pretty big sell-off today on gold, coming on higher than average volume, and stocks like MicroStrategy look pretty close to breaking out. So we might be on the cusp of a transition out of the well-known gold trade into potentially the digital gold trade. So keep an eye on MicroStrategy and watch for an entry here on IBIT close to that 50-day moving average. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.